This is the beginning of a Russian invasion of Ukraine.
Last week, I agreed to meet Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov this week, on February 24th, to discuss our countries' respective concerns about European security, but only if Russia did not invade Ukraine. Now that we see the invasion is beginning, and Russia has made clear its wholesale rejection of diplomacy, it does not make sense to go forward with that meeting at this time. I consulted with our allies and partners, all agreed. And today I sent Foreign Minister Lavrov a letter informing him of this.